Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the Chromecast and plugging it into the TV's HDMI. This creates the initial device state. Once done, make sure your mobile has Bluetooth and location enabled so the Google Home app can discover the Chromecast. This short-circuit discovery step avoids manual codes. Open Google Home and tap Add. This is the first actionable move. You do this because the app handles pairing, Wi-Fi handoff, and device naming automatically, saving time and preventing mismatched networks. Once the Home app detects the Chromecast, you confirm the on-screen pairing code shown on the TV to verify device identity. Then you choose the Wi-Fi network the Chromecast should join. This is critical. Chromecast must share the same network as your mobile for casting. If your mobile can share credentials, use network sharing to transfer the password securely. Otherwise, type the Wi-Fi password. This step completes network handoff, so the Chromecast can receive streams from your phone without repeated pairing. You finish by naming the Chromecast and assigning a room in the Home app so voice and grouping work later. Then complete the setup wizard to apply updates. After that, test by casting from YouTube or any cast-enabled app to confirm video and audio playback. If casting fails, the quickest fix is to restart the Chromecast and your router, then forget Wi-Fi on the device and repeat setup. This clears stale credentials and resolves most connection conflicts. Try Bluetooth discovery again if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.